6 years ago, my grandfather passed away from cancer, a devastating disease that impacts 14 million people worldwide and is the second leading cause of death. My name is Devin Willis, and I am passionate about all things robotics and wanted to do something to help this war on cancer. A pathologist, or more specifically a histopathologist, studies changes in tissue caused by disease and is a critical step in an accurate diagnosis. Pathologists use a 4DX microscope to analyze a tissue sample on a slide by reviewing millions of cells. This process is time and labor intensive, requiring highly skilled doctors who have been trained to recognize cell patterns as it relates to cancer. A recent study showed that pathologists, when reviewing the same slides, will agree on the diagnosis only 75% of the time, which can dramatically impact treatment and outcomes. A larger problem exists in developing countries that have a lack of pathologists. For example, in Mozambique, there are 4 pathologists per 25 million people, and 11,000 cancer-related deaths per year. Even in relatively developed regions such as South Africa, with a population of 55 million, there are little more than 100 pathologists. This shortage of pathologists creates a challenge in delivering accurate diagnoses.
SLIDEMAP is a machine that can be used by pathologists to increase accuracy and speed of diagnosis. It uses a machine learning algorithm as well as 3D printer technology to scan and recognize features of a tumor. It can be used as a second source for pathologists to verify diagnosis as well as show pathologists which part of the slide to focus their attention and time on. Utilizing advances in 3D printer technology, the machine is able to be built for under $1,000 with cellular level accuracy. I was able to build an XYZ table whereby mounting a 4DX microscope with a 60 megapixel camera above the moving platform, I am able to take images of the tumor slide at different positions. Using these images, I can determine overlap in between them, and I'm able to stitch these images into one high resolution image of the whole slide. Using this image, different features can be detected. I plan to further develop the device to be more compact, cheaper, and more user-friendly. SLIDEMAP will enable faster, more accurate diagnoses of tumor samples, improve the standard of care, and save lives around the world.